This is the reduction equipment for pretreatment 800 in our factory. After we receive the equipment and ship it to the predetermined address, we first need to secure the wheels of the device to keep the device from moving. Then what we have to do is to connect the incoming power supply of the equipment here. The drainage pipe of the oil isolation equipment here should be connected well. The drainage pipe of 50. When using oil separator, you need to pay attention to the water level not to overflow. After the electricity and the drainage pipes are connected, we enter the normal operating process. Rotating motor. Let the motor spin. The counterclockwise direction of the axis is the correct running direction of the equipment. After importing materials, the material comes in from here, then come out from here. When the device we run, the main thing is this bearing and this reducer need regular refueling.